When utilized effectively, AI can significantly boost the income of businesses or independent professionals, generating thousands of dollars each month. Surprisingly, expenses involved in maintaining AI tools are often minimal. We're excited to present you with some excellent methods for earning money through AI using cutting-edge AI-powered tools. Number 1. Offer writing services with AI tools. Creating content is crucial for digital marketing success. Traditionally, it requires a lot of time and creativity, from planning and research to writing, editing, publishing, and analyzing results. Depending on the topic's complexity and campaign size, this process can take hours, days, or months. AI has been widely used in business, especially in content creation. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI have been popular choices for quickly generating various types of content. While AI writing has limitations, mastering the technology can help individuals produce content more efficiently. Number 2. Freelance writing with AI. Ghostwriting and freelancing are excellent ways for freelance writers to earn money online. With the increasing number of websites and businesses running blogs, there's a rising demand for talented writers who can produce top-notch blog posts for brands. Many people search platforms like LinkedIn, Fiverr, or Upwork to find reliable writers who can help them stand out in competitive markets. This is where you can step in. Freelance writing is one of the oldest methods for making money online, and it only requires a little investment to start. Integrating AI into your writing process is the latest opportunity to enhance content efficiency and research quality. AI content writers can assist with various tasks, from creating social media posts to crafting lengthy blog articles and reports. However, relying solely on AI to generate content without human input could harm your reputation and cost you clients. Yet, if used wisely, AI can significantly improve your writing process. This opens up numerous lucrative opportunities for content creators and digital marketers. Businesses constantly seek fresh and engaging content to improve their search engine rankings, engage their audience, and establish authority in their industry. You could be the one to help businesses achieve these goals. Number 3. Build websites. AI tools can assist you in constructing websites. You can use these tools to create websites for small businesses or your ventures, generating income through affiliate marketing, advertisements, or subscriptions. Platforms such as Wix.com offer website building tools that enable anyone to design professional-looking websites using templates or Wix Artificial Design Intelligence, ADI. With these tools, you can swiftly create websites for clients or develop them to showcase your products or promote affiliate marketing links. Number 4. Copywriting with AI. Copywriting is a demanding field with high earning potential. While not everyone can excel at it, it's possible to succeed with the right skills and AI support. Freelancers who adopt AI can meet the increasing demand for compelling newsletters and sales-focused landing pages, driving revenue growth for clients. Mastering the art of crafting effective cold emails with AI assistance can also lead to lucrative opportunities in the business world. As businesses prioritize personalized communication, skilled copywriters with AI knowledge are in high demand. Copywriting and content writing can be rewarding careers or side jobs. By continuously improving and using AI wisely, you can earn money online. Some recommended AI tools include Jasper, HobbyCopy, and WriteSonic. Platforms like Resume.io can help individuals with resume and cover letter writing, offering an exciting niche for writers. Number 5. Generate audio AI content. AI technology offers various ways to create audio content using text-to-speech functions. You can use AI prompts to write a script for an audiobook and then utilize a text-to-speech creator to generate the audio version. Play.ht, Murph.ai, and Listianr are some of the top-rated AI voice generators. Furthermore, AI tools can aid in translating videos or written content into different languages. For instance, Nova AI software enables users to translate and add video subtitles. You can offer translation services to video creators through freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Additionally, text-to-speech tools can convert written content into audio format or provide audio versions for visually impaired individuals. Number 6. Create and offer online courses. AI software can be valuable in creating online courses you can sell, including teaching others how to use AI technology. Tools like ChatGPT can assist you in brainstorming ideas, developing course content, and organizing materials. With AI tools, you can create videos, generate scripts, and record voiceovers for lessons and other course materials using text-to-speech technology. Additionally, AI can aid in assembling marketing materials to promote and sell your online courses to potential customers, possibly on a website built using AI-powered tools. Number 7. Make AI-generated digital visual products. AI technology can create various types of digital visual content, such as digital ads, business logos, and marketing materials. It can also simplify the process of editing photos and graphics. For instance, platforms like AdCreative.ai enable users to produce commercials and social content using AI, which can be sold to businesses. Additionally, Canva offers AI-powered tools that facilitate creating and editing graphics, videos, and presentations. Pitch decks, presentations used by startup companies to convey their stories to investors and potential partners, can also be created with the help of AI. Tools like ChatGPT and Tome assist creators in producing pitch decks more efficiently, which can be offered to clients on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Number 8. Become an AI product affiliate. Joining an affiliate program for AI products can be an intelligent way to earn money. You can promote products and services related to AI, like machine learning software or cloud-based solutions. When you join such a program, you can capitalize on current trends in the market to increase your earnings. The company providing the affiliate program will offer helpful resources such as marketing materials and customer support, along with product discounts. These resources can enhance your promotional efforts and help you reach more people. While promoting existing products is an excellent way to make money, AI technology offers even more opportunities. Those with a deep understanding of AI can explore advanced methods to generate income using this technology. Let's explore 4 advanced ways to make money with artificial intelligence systems. Number 9. Sell your music. Selling music used to require being a superstar or releasing a traditional album. With AI, there are numerous ways to make money from your music. For instance, you can offer subscriptions to your music through social media or your website, or sell directly to companies seeking jingles and promotional music. If you're not using AI to mimic existing artists, you can list your music on platforms like Spotify and earn royalties. Quality music will always be in demand. Try Lalal.ai, Moobert, or Resonance Sound to explore AI music generators. Moobert offers an accessible starting point, while Lalal allows bulk uploads even with its cheapest plans. Each AI music generator has unique features. Even if you're not a musician, there are still ways to profit from songs. You can create karaoke recordings or remove vocal tracks to deconstruct tunes. If you have some musical knowledge, you can create mashups of different songs and promote them on social media and YouTube. Mashups are popular among fans and can make waves in the industry. Number 10. Provide AI integration service. Many industries such as finance, healthcare, and retail can benefit from machine learning and AI automation services. If you understand this technology well, you can offer AI integration services to companies and earn money. AI can also help improve a company's business intelligence. For instance, brands running online marketing campaigns rely on understanding customer behavior. You can better use AI's predictive analytics to understand customers, market patterns, and trends. An agency can analyze customer reviews and feedback using NLP models to find common themes and sentiments. This helps create ad copy that addresses the specific needs and concerns of the target audience. Retail businesses can use machine learning to offer AI chatbots for customer service. These chatbots can recognize keywords in customer messages and answer frequently asked questions from a database. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on leveraging AI for success. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the following video.